So for the past several years, I've been pretty enchanted with the idea of #Vanlife. It's basically these people who take these big cargo vans and they turn them into homes. They're pretty much like an RV or a camper. And last year I moved into a tiny apartment seeing if I could live in a small space. And now that the pandemic is still going, I thought it would be a great opportunity to try out #Vanlife. So I found this RV camper on Airbnb behind me, and now I'm going to see what it's like to live the #Vanlife. So as promised in my last video, I am still interested in getting out and traveling, but doing it safely, and I think the safest way to do it is by renting a car. So Ahmed rented a car, and he's driving us to the coast of New Jersey, where I'm going to isolate ourselves in a little surprise. Just arrived at this beautiful camper van RV Airbnb, and I thought this would be a great way to socially distant, take a reprieve from our normal lives, and I'm really happy with it so far. I mean, this camper itself is amazing. It has all these little nooks and crannies, and it has everything we need in a small space, but there's also some amazing amenities outside, and I'm going to show you around. In addition to koi fish, they also have chickens here and roosters. I'm making a little salad, just did my yoga practice, it's getting dark, and we're gonna light a fire and do some s'mores. The weather is amazing. There's all sorts of fairy lights all over this patio area, and we're just having a very relaxing time, a lot of open, fresh air. Lucid egg. So there's this like nature preserve next to where our camper van is, and it's really beautiful. It's not really made for hiking, but there's this tiny little path between the river and then this other water, and you can see birds, and it's really peaceful, and no one's here in the middle of a Sunday, so that's really awesome. One part of van life I would imagine is having to hand wash your clothes in between trips to the laundromat. So I have this scrubber bag and I can do about one outfit worth of laundry. It's 3 minutes for the wash with soap, and then I wring it out and do a 3-minute rinse cycle with just water. And then wring it out and dry it. It's cutting onion in here for grilling, and the whole place is like eye stinging. I guess that's one of the downsides of living in a small space. I think one of the great things about camping, camper van life is being able to cook in the great outdoors, and one of my favorite great outdoors cooking is grilling. We made a bunch of veggies, portobello mushrooms, zucchini, chicken, and my favorite grillable, beef ribs. Oh my god. It's actually really good. Oh. I'm planning to have a lot more interesting content coming up. So if you like this video, please like and subscribe and hit the bell to be notified when new videos are available. Until next time, bye!